Hello, and welcome back to a new Simple Tech review. Today we'll be checking out one of the finest dash cams you can find available today. We're of course talking about the Rove R2-4K Dual dash camera. But before we begin, please remember to subscribe if you like this type of content. The R2-4K Dual is at the top of the line from the list of dash cams offered by Rove. It comes with the front and rear recording cameras, GPS, supercapacitor power, HDR and night recording, dual band Wi-Fi, and much more. Let's do a quick unboxing. Having a closer look, on the front we have the wide-angle lens with a 150-degree field of view, Sony's Starvis 2 image sensor, and a 1.5 aperture and 4K recording resolution of 3840x2160. On the back, we have the 3-inch IPS display and the buttons for menu mode and back, mute and up, emergency lock and Wi-Fi, down and camera switch, and OK. On the left is the microSD card slot up to 1 TB and the power button. On the right is the USB-C port for power. On top is the integrated GPS, the mount latch, and the USB-C rear camera connection. And on the bottom is the reset button, speaker grills, and the microphone. The rear camera is adjustable and it has a 140-degree field of view. To install the camera, for the front camera, you can use the suction cup mount for easy removal or the 3M tape mount for a more permanent installation. For the back camera, find a suitable place on the rear windshield inside the vehicle and place it with the 3M tape. Then route the cables for the ladder plug power and the rear camera through the car's headliner or floor and connect everything. The cameras will start recording as soon as the ignition is turned on. Alternatively, for power, you may want to use Rove's hardwire kit or an OBD2 power adapter to take advantage of the camera's continuous parking monitor feature to continue keeping an eye out on your car even after you leave and turn the vehicle off. I will leave links for both of these in the video description. When using both cameras, the front camera records at 4K and the rear camera at Full HD 1080p. You also have the following recording resolution options. To control the camera, you can use the physical buttons or you can just as easily manage everything from the Rove app on your mobile phone. Simply download the Rove app from your app store and connect to the 5G or 2G built-in Wi-Fi to easily configure all settings, view and quickly download recordings, all without having to touch or move the camera. The recordings come out as crisp and clear videos both in the day and especially at night with the Sony's Starvis 2 image sensor. The camera comes with a supercapacitor for power, which means you don't have to worry about a degrading battery over time, and it offers better performance in extreme weather. It has a full 1-year hassle-free warranty, and the team behind Rove is based 100% in the USA with a Chicago-based customer support service. In conclusion, if you're looking for a great dash cam that records super clear video, has you covered from the front and back, can get you started right away with the included microSD card, and gives you a worry-free 1-year warranty, then the Rove R2-4K Dual might just be what you're looking for. If you'd like to check out the Rove R2-4K Dual or any of their other cameras and accessories, don't forget to click on the link in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribe so we can bring you more. Up next are video samples from the camera. I'll see you again on our next review.